It's me Kalyani from K3 Musketeers, and today we're making a very simple and very delicious crispy paneer popcorn with Indian flavors. So let's start. It's very crispy and you can have it for snacks any time of the day. So these are the ingredients to make our crispy paneer popcorn. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of jeera powder or cumin powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi powder and 2 teaspoon of chili powder. We have 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 4 tablespoons of corn flour and 5 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour. Also we have corn flakes. For the coating you can take as much as you need, and salt as the taste, and 200 grams of paneer. So now we'll cut our paneer into bite-sized pieces. And they're ready to be coated. So now we're going to mix all these ingredients with water. Now we put our masalas. Mix this a little. Now we'll add the ginger garlic paste. Now we'll add the salt. So we're going to add about this much salt. So after mixing it, we're going to slowly start adding the water little by little. Now we'll mix this. We'll add a little bit more. So we need a batter which is not too thick but not too thin. So we have to add the right amount of water. So we have the right consistency, and now we're going to add our paneer one by one. So to make the batter, I added almost half a cup of water, but you can adjust it, increase it or decrease it according to the consistency. So now our paneer is well coated in the batter, and the batter is not too thick and not too thin. So now to coat our paneer, we're just going to roughly crush the cornflakes with our hands. So just roughly crush it, but it shouldn't be too small. So now we crushed it roughly, and we'll coat the paneer in this. So let's coat our paneer. Make sure the coating doesn't come out, and put the cornflakes on it. just lightly press it. Like this. So just like this, we'll coat all our paneer pieces. So we coated all our 20 pieces of paneer with the crushed cornflakes. Now let's go fry this. So now the oil is hot. We're going to slowly put our paneer in. Slowly do it. Be careful. So we're frying this on medium flame. So now our paneer popcorn, our crispy paneer popcorn is ready. So our delicious crispy paneer popcorn is ready. It's really delicious. Tasting time! It's so crispy. It's delicious. Please try it. So crispy. It's so crispy. Listen to this. Did you hear that? So crispy. And please do remember to try it. So please do remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that notification bell for more videos like this. So thank you for watching. Bye.